Morning to all. Good morning. Got about 2 minutes to go. Watch list, as I mentioned before, you guys know. Posted a few pictures of the stocks that are moving higher on the pre-market hours today. It will be worth a while to keep an eye on them, but I'm gonna keep my eye on GPS trip. Let me put in the main one here, the biggest mover. Just ALPN, just pulling back already anyway. Okay, this is one that this is new. This is moving now. Just popped up. Also HUSN, which I didn't add, is financial markets. It's kind of like a bank or management company. I didn't add on the watch list though. I didn't like it too much, to be honest. So there's a reason why I didn't like it. But it's moving. HUSN. We're gonna bin it 30 seconds actually. I got GPS possible short under 1050 now. I was looking at 1080, but we're trading inside of a range 1080, 1050. Now inside of that range, I gotta wait for 1050 to break. It comes to print 1045. It's probably gonna drop right away. Wow, yeah. And I should have positioned myself around 1050 for that little drop. That was 12 cents right on the spot. Dropping too soon for me to chase now. My mistake there. Should I position myself there? 16-cent drop on the first couple of seconds. And the level there in GPS is to 966. 966. First candle on the open, yellow, turning back inside of the channel. 1055 right now. Rejecting here around the 50 simple moving average in a 1 minute time frame. We got a hammer here. This thing dropped to $10.32, 18 cents from the 1050. AEMD here. So a little consolidation. See if it holds. On GPS, looking back at it now, hindsight is always 2020. But looking back at it now, should have been, if the trade would have been in, I must have taken some out right away there on the drop towards the 20 cents. Because if you don't look at the reversal here, would have put you right back on the red. So at the same time, first couple of minutes of the open, it's just something that, you know, if you didn't take that move there on that 20 cents, AVYA, put this here, AVYA, X or US Steel is dropping quick today. Short sale restriction already. They haven't selling a couple of things, and reason why they're doing that is they're raising money because they've been losing money for the last couple of quarters. CARV, so you see here, yellow candle, there's a lot of volume in the first hour. I mean the first 5-minute candle here. CARV from the 9 to the 11:22. GPS view of 1052. Trip coming down. So we select the trip. Looks like CRV's halted. Yes, CRV's halted. GPS dropping fast. 1043. GPS yellow candle. Yellow candle 1 minute time frame. 1 minute candle gapping down GPS. 1 minute candle gapping down, and 1 minute right here gapping down GPS without reversal. OXY 1919 going high. CARV coming right back up here. Just got halted again. The CARV just got halted again. Quite something. Quite volatile today, huh? Okay, let me see something here. Come on, boy. Give it to me. Come on, GPS. Come on, boy. 50 simple moving average, 1057. 1057, 1056 now. 100 broke under the 50. Coming down here. Being a little choppy right around the open here. Holding not too far off from that range. TRV. NES. Nuvera. Environmental Solutions. Nuvera. I think it just got halted here. Okay, look at something here. 100 simple moving average, 50 simple moving average being resistance in GPS. 1067. Okay. Let's see here. $10.67. Let me watch something here. Find the bid and find the ask. What does that mean? XY, GPS, AMD. Come on, stop being that choppy though. Stop being that choppy and do your job. Wait for that 1 minute count to close here. 60. $10.53 BWAP. $10.60 prior 1 minute candle. $10.60 high. Prior 1 minute candle. Oh, you guys are writing stuff over there. I didn't even notice. Hold up, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's a little bit more on my premium thing though. Show my actual screen while I'm trading. It has my account number there. If I stream that window, my account number will be put out there just like that. So in order for me to do something like that, I will do that in a more of a premium form, not really on a live YouTube open public stream. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I know that people will like that, but I wouldn't do it on a public stream. Um, not on a public YouTube stream. I wouldn't do that though. Ten 1062. It's like looks like it's setting up to come up. See that resistance 1067, 1064. 5 minute time frame looks like the 50 simple moving average there is being that little bit of a resistance there for GPS on the 50 on the 5 minutes. OSUR going higher. OSUR going higher.
And the Nasdaq's higher. It's up a tenth of a percent or 14 points at 99.25. 10-year Treasury up not 30 seconds, yield 0.70%. The yield on the 2-year
40 seconds to close that 5 minute time frame candle there. You're holding it on top of the 1060 and the BOAP a little bit here. 1067 prior high. Or that right here, 1067, that 1 minute candle here. A lot of indecision though in GPS. I have to say, there's a lot of indecision here on GPS. That 5 minute candle about to close with a doji in about 10 seconds. Hitting that 1066, 1067. 1067 high. It did hit 1066, that one candle there. Just close that candle. 50 simple moving average holding on the 5 so far. I don't know if it's gonna hold for long. I'm not saying that nobody's gonna do something with an account number. It's just that, I'm not too, I don't put it out there. When I make my videos, I blur the account number, or if I put a screenshot, I always take out the account number. I mean, what people look for is really the setup, but there's so many people doing bad things on the web that, again, when I do that, I put it on the YouTube with blur account number. On the trading group, I delete or erase the account number, but if I broadcast on YouTube, it's different than putting a picture on our trading group. So I have put a few pictures with the account number not being blurred on the trading group. Again, if I stream on YouTube, YouTube is such a a big platform that a lot of people come in and out, and the videos that I stream, they stay up. I don't delete them, right? So it's just something that I don't want to keep out there just like that. Still a lot of indecision though on GPS. They really holding it. The amount of whipsaw here is outrageous. A 5-minute simple moving average of 50. Simple moving average here is sitting at 1066 with a prior high at 1067. Let's see if this thing is actually gonna come down. I think so far it looks like it's gonna hold that 50 simple moving average on the 5. It looks like it will hold. I would like to see some prints back on 1059 and 1058. It's been holding on top of 1060 for some time now. And there's been a lot of whipsaw there with that indecision, but seems like we are setting up for a reversal on GPS. I would like to see some prints on 1050s. See, 1060's been holding really tight, especially on the 1 minute. We have this simple moving average here, 1059 on the 1 minute, and the 5 minutes here is where this thing is being holding that resistance. So see if we're gonna turn around, maybe print on the 1050s, get right back down towards the lower day. As a shooting star formation in the 1 minute though, it might give us some 1050s, but it's holding so tight here with this consolidation that this 5-minute candle is about to close again, still holding so tight on top of the 1060 that it's just getting me a little bit uncomfortable here with this much hold on top of it. I wanted to see it go. But at some point, these guys are gonna get tired, I think, and they probably gonna have to let it go. Okay, so I'm 1059 prints already, 58. View app 1057. Held the view up for a second there. Trip had a little reversal though on the 5 minute. hammer, 5-minute hammer there. And is this GPS really gonna go, or what? What's the deal with this thing? This guy's gonna have to get tired here. The bit slapping 1058 though. I'm like, come on, seriously? The GPS is being really stupid now though. Back to 1060. This thing is actually being relentless here. They're not letting it go. I don't know how long they're gonna have to, how long they're gonna hold it for. Because it looks like, no, can't be wrong, but that reversal looks like it's gonna end up working. But they're holding it really tight. Just a choppy market today though. Possible bear flag pattern formation on the 1 minute time frame. View app 1057. Prior low 1056. $10.56. If we take that one down. Okay, looks like we're printing the bear flag pattern. It seems. Let's see. Yep. Keeps coming down. Finally, got tired here. Let's see how far we can get. This thing is trading extremely slow. Dr. Anthony Fauci, that guy disappeared for some time while the riots are going on. Now he's back in play. Dr. Anthony Fauci. Don't get me wrong, I'm not getting political here or nothing like that. That's quite a little bit of support right there. How fascinating. Bringing private equity to the masses. How fascinating. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm not quite sure what they could do with that, but this is cyber hacking, and they can tap your account if they can, and maybe uh, take the money out of the account or whatever. I'm not, I'm not sure. It's just not something that I want to put out there like that. It's like giving everybody else your bank account. I'm pretty sure you don't do that either. But this is my instrument of making money. I don't want to put my account number out there for everyone to see it. Not everybody has the best intentions in the world, so what's happening, Sean? Morning. So as you guys noticed, the GPS held their support and came right back up in there. Look at the whipsaw here. This is not good. All of this mess here is not a good indication. Now, it did have a little reversal, but not good enough though. It was not good enough. Really, it's better work. Today doesn't seem to be the greatest day though. Look at this. Yellow candle on GPS. Volume really kicked in. I have to say I was expecting a little bit better downtrend on this reversal in the 5 minutes, holding that 1067. That actually didn't work out. I took a small gain, a small loss right there. I had a short at 1066 as it was coming down. I mean 1056. I'm sorry. And I had to hold throughout all of this stupid mess here. And as you notice here, it came down to 1053. But I was short 10.5. I shorted over here, this candle. So, I think, well, let me see. I think it was like around here. What candle was that? I got fill at 1056. So, I gotta look at the time exactly to know. But I had to wait, and this mess around here didn't really help me out. So I was risking to the high of this candle here, 1067. So I was risking there about 10 cents, 11 cents, because I was short 1056. The high here was 1067, so I was risking 1011, right? And it came here, tap, but it came down to 1053, and it didn't follow through. Sorry, I was expecting a little bit of a better follow through, but it didn't really work out. So when it broke this high here, this candle, it went to 1069. When it tapped at 1067, I just bailed out, and I did the right thing there. I lost 11 cents per share right there, coming up. I thought that the reversal was gonna work better, and due to the resistance we had at 1067 and the information that we had in 5 minute time frame, I didn't really think that this thing was gonna come up the way that it was doing it. So it didn't work out the way that I expected to work out, but it is what it is. I then printed here a bear flag pattern formation. I didn't take that entry. See Macy's coming out right back up too. TripAdvisor tapping that $19 mark. See most of the stocks that are actually rolling higher. BIOC. Let's see. BIOC. Notice that it's been running higher today, yeah. Okay.
Almost total isolation from the outside world.
Yeah, hmm? Well, it looks like I was a little early on my reversal trade.
If knowledge is power, the Bloomberg Terminal is your power up, connecting you to real-time financial
You know, this is
news,
since this names are being a little too choppy, and the only follow through that we have seen here is a little bit of an upside here after that bull flag pattern on the 1 minute time frame. I'm not going to take a reversal here yet because look at the downtrend there with a shooting star formation on the 1 minute time frame on 1086, and it didn't come down too far. Look at how it's moving higher now. So those pullbacks have been just quite strong.
if Russia does throw this spanner in the works, what does it do to relations going forward? How important is that statement there? Hi, we're the Goo Goo Dolls. We're fortunate that our daughters have what they need to grow and learn. But that isn't the case for nearly 13 million kids in the U.S. that struggle with hunger. Childhood hunger is a heartbreaking reality that Feeding America is working to change. Each year, the Feeding America network of food banks rescues billions of pounds of good food that would have gone to waste and provides it to families and children in need. You can help kids in need in your community by visiting feedingamerica.org. Brought to you by Feeding America and the Ad Council.
I have like a, I think an eyelash went inside of my eye for some reason here. Very uncomfortable. So I'm looking at ASUR. I've been watching this one since yesterday for a possible short, but it just has 200,000 shares traded so far during the day, and it's 10:18 in the morning. Well, 10:16. So my clock has 2 minutes advanced. Um, and the issue is there that I don't you know with that little bit of um with that tiny bit of volume, I actually don't want to put an order through This is not enough volume though.
between guessing and guidance. Everybody wants to look at that blood and learn more about the virus. Carol Messer, Jason Kelly, and Bloomberg Business Week. What are you expecting to happen in the short term? Weekday afternoons at 2 Eastern. As you look at what's going on with the U.S. and China, what's the most important thing we need to know? On Bloomberg Radio, the Bloomberg Business app, and BloombergRadio.com. Bloomberg, the world is listening.
There are everyday actions to help prevent the spread of respiratory diseases. Wash your hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Stay home when you are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects with household cleaning spray. For more information, visit cdc.gov/COVID-19. This message brought to you by the National Association of Broadcasters and this station.
Elite advisory firms rely on BNY Mellon's Pershing to meet the needs of their most complex clients. Karen Novak, Chief Operating Officer at Pershing Advisor Solutions, explains how. At BNY Mellon's Pershing, we bring customized insights and strategies to help you grow your advisory business and stay on the leading edge. We can support the needs of your most sophisticated clients with a full range of investment and wealth management solutions, from access to private banking to
Dude,
consolidated.
like OXY had a pretty decent bear flag formation.
Turn to us for the financial strength and
I mean, bull flag formation on 5 minutes. From that breakout,
competition. Learn more at Pershing.com.
that move has been really nice on the 5.
Provided by Pershing
So around, what's the high of this 5-minute candle on OXY here?
members of
552.
banking and bank custody.
I mean 1952.
Member FDIC.
Now 1997. 98. And they're going to the $20 mark there. So 50-cent move though. At the break of that bull flag pattern. Y10 coming down.
Will feature guest artists and new music paying tribute to the heroes of the current health crisis and honoring the memories of those we have lost. Watch and listen July 4th starting
Now I got my eyes open.
exclusively on
See if there's any other opportunities here that I can take. Let me just run the scanners here. See if I can take something, find something that might end up giving me something, or I mean, an opportunity. I'm not gonna force any trades. If I gotta take a small losing day today, I'll take it. I don't care. See, CCL has been moving higher this morning. CCL, I'm pretty sure that if the and CLH as well, if those cruise lines are moving higher, I'm pretty sure that the airlines are moving higher too. Indeed, yeah, they're moving higher too. Just a little choppy though, but they doing okay. 2007 on OXY. Didn't see that bull flag pattern forming on the 5 minutes. Pretty bad. Oh my god, that's too stupid. That was bad.
The S&P has come off earlier losses. It opened lower in the wake of a report that weekly U.S. jobless claims stayed above 1 million. Stocks Europe 600 extended its decline. The pound held on to losses after the Bank of England expanded its quantitative easing program. We checked out over 15 minutes. Trading day on Bloomberg Radio. S&P is little change, down 1. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is down at 10%, down 32.
GPS coming down. Let it go. Not now. 15 minutes showing decent possible reversal. 15-1-5.
36 a barrel with COMEX gold down 0.5% at 17.2630 an ounce. The dollar yen is 106.83. The euro
Really?
24. The British pound. The dollar
1088. 1088 is the support that he took over here.
times since the coronavirus began.
This is the 15-minute candle low here.
And they may have they may not have much more room to fall. The average for a 30-year fixed rate loan was 3.13%. That's a Bloomberg Business Flash. I'm Greg Jarrett.
Tapping candle to 15. Still don't know though.
Good morning. We are back looking at the market here that's probably over 55, over 60, and they have, some historic perspective. And so they're asking us a lot of questions about what are the implications longer term of this
It's coming down on 1088 here.
of the exploding deficits
It's
and
let's
debt
see here.
burden
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
large amounts of cash on the sidelines, which is certainly a constructive element for this market. But our clients, for the most part, are holding back, and I think that they're waiting for a little bit more evidence that things are truly improving, and that profits are catching up to this market, which has anticipated a lot of recovery already.
Lisa, are they not then embracing the V-shaped recovery narrative? And in that situation, did the Fed chair give them a little more ammunition to not embrace that?
Yeah, so we definitely, we're writing about this. So look, my team and the folks on the Global Investment Committee at Morgan Stanley have been trying to lay out that narrative. And
Yeah, it took I myself took a little,
it's not
really small loss on GPS first trade
you get positive rates of change and upside
at $10.56 reversal. Had to get out with a little loser, small, but still it happens, right? And now look at this thing. I'm looking at it on the low of the 15-minute candle, topping candle 15 minutes. 1088, looking at this, see if it's gonna have a reversal, but look, it just came down. 1085, another 1085 support here, came right back up. High of 1089. If it comes down to the 1085 again, but look, 1088 broke down, pulled back, held 1085, came right back up. So the market is really not too clean today. Not too clean today. There's not much follow through here today. But on the other hand, not everything is bad, but it's just I didn't take that. But look at the high here, which look at the 1 minute candle. Around this area here is where we have 5 minutes. This one here, high 1952, and 1952 at the break here. Look at how far it went. It went to 2005, 2008 really, but let's not say 2008. Be a little bit conservative here. But still, even towards the $20 mark at the bull flag pattern breakout here, look, it moved 50 cents, right? Not every single name has been really choppy, but there has not been that great follow through that I thought that I was going to have today for those reversals. Even on GPS, I was trading in the pre-market hours in between 1080 and 1050. That decent range in there, but a TripAdvisor has been choppy that I selected yesterday for a possible short. OAS and a few others, they haven't been working as I thought. OXY is the only one that's moving kind of higher like that, with a little bit of a cleaner trend. But GPS is pretty much doing nothing. It's flagging on the 5. Macy's is doing the same thing. Airliners are going high, slower. Let's just pull the airline here. See, for that second time around coming to retest that area, I'll be watching that. CCL. Look, it's been somewhat decent move. NCLH. See another bull flag pattern on the 5 right there. JetBlue. Not too great, but okay. AAL, American Airlines, Delta. See, those companies are being somewhat moving, but still the market, it's not, as great as one might think.
Basis points right now, and gold, as Lisa was talking about, still above 1790.
This is a Bloomberg. Whether you're super organized or search every file on your computer 12 times a day, how closely are you looking at those kind of news? You never have to worry about finding the latest business news. We put it right here.
Talk about a commitment that has been made to technology. How long will those benefits last?
This is really focusing on ESG. Bloomberg Radio.
So now this is the question. Next time it taps at 1088 and 1085, are we going to have follow through here? Because we see resistance on 1097 here. 1097 high has resistance now. Is it going to have follow through down as it had follow through up? Not really that much, but it had a little ramp up here. Now, are we going to have that follow through to the downside? Look, it pulled back. Now coming right back up 1080, 1097. So this what I'm saying. Like there's no pattern of continuation here that one might be able to work with. Because as of right now, for a reversal, resistance is showing a possible reversal clear with clear signs of resistance and also with clear signs of candle formations that show reversal. But when we have those little pullbacks, they not only pullbacks, they're showing signs of reversals on resistance, but the reversals are not working because it comes right back up. But then when it comes up, it pulls back right away too, so it doesn't have that follow through that one might want to see in order to take a decent trade on a name. AESE 270. I hope if you got 270, Sean, I think you're on the green now, which is a good thing though. I'm happy for you there. So far, one trade for me, and that one trade is a red one on GPS reversal with not much follow through today. So that's part of the deal though. I mean, like, what are we gonna do? But pulling back.
Download
Yeah,
the
today feels like summer.
free. In just 15 minutes a day, you'll be on your way
Today
to
feels
speaking
like
a new
summertime.
language in just a few weeks. And right now, you can try Babbel for free. Babbel starts out teaching you words and phrases by matching them with pictures. You won't believe how easy the interactive program is. Soon the sentences get a little bigger, and before you know it, you're having simulated conversations voiced by native speakers. And because Babbel is crafted by language experts and uses the spaced repetition method, in just 10 to 15 minutes a day, you'll be speaking the language of your choice with real confidence.
Today feels like
You can speak a language.
summertime for real here. Like, what in the world? 144.
Store it safely online. No matter when disaster strikes. Learn other simple ways to protect your home and family before a natural disaster.
Got a couple of bots in there, yeah, but
A message from FEMA and the Ad Council. Interconnect. Here, let's start with the national security implications of this.
should be about 140 traders in there sharing ideas. Although I know that not everybody really shares in there.
Broadcasting live from the Bloomberg Interactive Broker Studio in New York.
CRC,
To Washington, D.C.
take a look at CRC.
Boston, Bloomberg 1061. To San Francisco, Bloomberg 960. To the country, Sirius XM Channel 119. And around the globe, the Bloomberg Business app and BloombergRadio.com. This is Bloomberg Markets.
Coming up, the interview of the morning, Stephen Roach, senior fellow at Yale University and former chairman of Morgan Stanley Asia, on his column entitled How the Coming Crash in the Dollar Will Unfold. We'll have it for you in just moments. But first, let's go to Greg Jerry on Bloomberg News 40, Bloomberg Business Flash. Greg.
Stocks have been fluctuating fall. Investors are waiting the latest employment data and reports about fresh outbreaks of coronavirus. We check the markets every 15 minutes. Right now, the S&P is a little change down 1. The Dow is down less than a tenth of a percent, down 16. And the NASDAQ is up a tenth of a percent, 12. The 10-year is up 13.30 seconds with a yield of 0.69%. West Texas Intermediate's up over 1% at 38.33 a barrel. COMEX gold's down 7 tenths.
CRC,
24 million per ounce.
take a CRC here.
106.77. The euro, $1.12.
Oh,
The British pound, $1.21.
yeah.
That is a Bloomberg Business Flash.
Let me see CRC here. That 5 minute.
It is 10:32 on Wall Street.
Yeah, it's coming. I see it's coming right back up to the. Where do we have that? Wait. 50 simple moving average on the daily. 174 today. 180 50 simple moving average on the daily. On CRC, yeah, coming right back up. I think that what was the high? 195 like 2 days ago. We were talking about this stuff like since when? Like couple of days ago to this Thursday. I think spoke about it. When was it? Like Sunday? Maybe not. I don't know if it was on the email. Monday was it? About 150 or less than 150 around there. I don't know.
You know, I do not know the veracity of he said, she said allegations in any of
Gee, man, what a day. No follow through today. I don't feel comfortable taking a short here in GPS though. See, on any other day, that 5 minute candle right there would have put me on the spot right there to try to get an entry around here using the 1 minute time frame based on the 5 minutes. Waiting for a confirmation maybe around the $11 mark. If we get to $11 mark and we break under, I would have been taking a short, slapping that bid. But the problem is that today with no follow through is like I don't feel comfortable taking a short here because even 1088, 1085, it didn't work. And so what indication do I get now that it's gonna work now? I mean, we already had a 5 minute candle coming down around 1088. It's just that there was no follow through. So see that? See what I'm saying here? I don't feel comfortable taking any other trade here on GBS now. This is kind of like a dumb kind of day today. Better to be in the sidelines though. I'm just gonna take that little slap that I took today, and I just what are you gonna do? Like, there's nothing else. There's nothing to do though. Like, there's so much you can do. If the market is not there, it's not there. What was the entry on CRC though? Like the second entry that you got now. $190. Holy smoke! You bought right on the top. Woo! Well, that happens. Wow. It's quite something. Give me a second here. I'm waiting for a 50-inch TV that my wife bought. Is coming in today. I think 55, 60 inch. I don't know. She bought a TV, and it's coming in today. She bought something else yesterday. One of those fireplaces with the virtual fire, but it's an actual heater. When I went to the store and we purchased last November, we were changing everything in the house last November, and we changed the tables, the chairs, we changed the sofas, we changed the coffee tables, we changed the lamps, we changed pretty much almost everything in the house. And so there was this fireplace with speakers, Bluetooth, heat, and the virtual fire, right? And I loved it. It was almost $1,000. I didn't buy it. So I let it go. I was like, I want it, but I let it go. And I let it go. A couple of days ago, she's showing me that they have it for $399 on sale. It was almost $1,000, and they had it for $399. I'm like, yeah, go buy it. So she got it, and they delivered it yesterday. There was a video that I uploaded on my Instagram stories of me coming downstairs looking at it like, well, I don't know if any of you guys follow me on Instagram. You're probably gonna see it there. Although the stories are probably gonna go away in probably an hour, so yes, I was like, oh, and I didn't know she was recording me. That's a funny thing, and I was just tweaking the thing, and I was like, oh god, and I didn't know she was recording me. And then she told me I did something and I didn't tell you, but I'm not gonna tell you. I'm like, hey, if you did something, you should tell me now, because what is it that you're gonna tell me that you're not gonna tell me, and now you're telling me that you did something but you're not gonna tell me? You gotta tell me, right? So she bought a big TV as well. It's not like 100 inches something. I don't know, it's between 50 or 60 inches, something like that. I don't know. She also got it on sale for some reason. She looking for the sales out there. I don't know. She got it for like $399, something like that. I don't know. It was a big TV. I don't know. She wanted to put it on top of the fireplace thing, and I was like, yeah, why not? Why not? It's coming in today, so I thought I heard a truck out there, and so I stepped up, went to the window. Now there's a reason why you saw me go in there to see if he came through. NTN, let's see. Yeah, I mean, just today feels kind of weird.
His campaign's going ahead with a rally in Tulsa Saturday. As many as 20,000 people could pack an arena in defiance of public health warnings. Johns Hopkins University data shows 10 states, including Oklahoma, seeing record high 7-day averages of new coronavirus cases. Meantime, China's top epidemiologist says Beijing's new coronavirus outbreak has already passed. She was known as the Force's sweetheart, Vera Lynn, serenaded British troops during the Second World War. She's dead at 103. Meet again, one of her sentimental classics. Global news 24 hours a day on air and a quick take by Bloomberg, powered by more than 2,700 journalists and analysts in 120 countries.
Hi, this is Jay Farner, CEO of Rocket Mortgage. Making the right financial decisions has never been more important. We can help guide you to those right decisions now when they matter most. Mortgage rates are near historic lows, so when you call 8338-ROCKET or visit us at rocketmortgage.com to start your refinance, you'll be well on your way to saving money every month. The rate today on our 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is 3.375%, APR 3.59%. Right now could be a great time
Oh my
to take
God,
some
what in the world?
financial steps forward with a cash-out refinance from Rocket Mortgage, which could give you the boost that you're looking for. In addition, we may be able to help you refinance with little or no out-of-pocket costs. At Rocket Mortgage, we're committed to every client, every time, no exceptions, no excuses, giving you the best mortgage experience. Call us today at 8338-ROCKET or go to rocketmortgage.com to learn more.
Rates subject to change. Payment 1.75% fee receive this discounted rate. Call for cost information and conditions. Equal housing lender. Licensed in all 50 states. NMLS number 3030.
Market upheavals. The narrative is driven by uncertainty about the virus.
Political reversals.
It's not clear that some of the Republicans up on the Hill are agreeing with the Republican White House.
Economic shifts.
The macro clearly being driven by the coronavirus outbreak.
Everything seems to be in motion.
Will it also mean a global recession in your view now?
But here, you're on solid ground.
Looking forward to guiding you through all of this.
Bloomberg Radio, the Bloomberg Business app, and BloombergRadio.com. Bloomberg, the world is listening.
If knowledge is power, the Bloomberg Terminal is your power up, connecting you to the real-time financial news, data, and analytics that can take your workflow to the next level. Power up at bloomberg.com/professional.
NJIT, New Jersey Institute of Technology, makes innovation happen. NJIT faculty mentored Christoph Camacho when he was a student, helping him co-found a startup and patent a device that uses drone technology for reforestation and to collect valuable data for land management.
I founded Para Trees back in 2016, taking what I learned from my research at NJIT and migrating into a startup. Our technology is to really enhance land management operations, so we work very closely with land management companies. So we have a drone that performs precision reforestation, and we do storm damage assessment and access to drones that can collect data so much faster. And what is more important, can drive management decisions. NJIT has been there every step of the way. We go full force with my company.
NJIT, New Jersey Institute of Technology. Learn more at njit.edu.
Asset managers who seize change to launch new strategies and distribution channels
asset expertise can be your catalyst for business transformation.
With SEI Investment Manager Services, you lead the charge in a competitive marketplace. Learn more at seic.com/seize change.
In-depth analysis, concise reporting, need-to-know global business news. Around the world and across the markets, Bloomberg connects the dots for decision makers. Stay on top of today's headlines. Follow big breakthroughs in tech. Understand the latest political issues. See how the world's wealthiest are spending their money. Track what's happening in the markets, and much more. Subscribe today to Bloomberg, the global standard for business reporting. Get it all at bloomberg.com/subscriptions.
Business is constantly evolving. Is your financial printer evolving to keep ahead of the curve? At Command Financial, we are redefining financial printing by providing industry-leading expertise, leveraging technology, and honing processes and best practices. Every day, Command helps SEC registrants, as well as members of their working groups, including securities attorneys and investment bankers, prepare, file, and disseminate regulatory and disclosure documents, such as registration statements, M&A documents, and mutual fund prospectuses and reports. Command provides a full range of services to help you effectively complete your deal, meet your disclosure requirements, and achieve your shareholder communications objectives. Visit our website at commandfinancial.com and learn how we're evolving, not only with the times, but also with your business requirements. Command Financial, redefining financial printing. Not completing high school is more of a social thing, but it was an academic thing. Even though all these years have passed, I still have that longing to have my diploma.
At age 30, Carissa finished her high school diploma.
If you're even considering getting your high school diploma, you could do it.
No one gets a diploma alone. If you're thinking of finishing your high school diploma, you have help. Find free adult education classes near you at finishyourdiploma.org. That's finishyourdiploma.org. Brought to you by the Dollar General Literacy Foundation and the Ad Council.
Imagine being denied an apartment because of your religion, or your race, or because you have children, or a disability.
It's so wrong. Yes, but who has the power to stop this?
You do. Each of us has the power. The law is on your side. It's illegal for landlords to discriminate because of race, color, religion, sex, national origin, disability, or familial status. If you suspect that you have experienced housing discrimination, file a complaint with HUD immediately so we can investigate it. Fair housing is your right. Use it. To learn more, visit HUD.gov/fairhousing. That's HUD.gov/fairhousing. Or call 1-800-669-9777. 1-800-669-9777. A public service message from HUD in partnership with the National Fair Housing Alliance.
PLM?
Why do hedge funds and other alternative managers rely on Pershing for a highly personalized experience? Mark Alderati, Managing Director at BNY Mellon's Pershing and Head of Prime Services, explains.
In today's fast-paced environment, where the only constants are change and volatility, you need a prime broker who's both steady and agile, focused on supporting your needs so that you can focus on growing your business and producing results. Exceptional client service and advocating for our clients is at the core of what we do. Our award-winning high-tech
Look at this thing.
is one of the benefits of working with BNY Mellon. We help alternative investment managers create great experiences for their
Seriously?
whether it's customized financing, securities lending solutions, platform access, or outsourced trading, BNY Mellon's Pershing is a prime
You have to be kidding me.
and dedicated to meeting your evolving demands.
To learn more about
You have to be kidding me.
for hedge funds and other alternative managers, visit Pershing.com. Pershing LLC, member FINRA, NYSE, SIPC.
CRC pullback though.
Headlines and breaking news 24 hours a day at Bloomberg.com, the Bloomberg Business app, and on Quick Take.
CRC pullback hard over there.
Stocks have been fluctuating lower, extending the declines posted yesterday with the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P.
Ah man, I swear. Micro bounce around the 50 simple moving average in a 1 minute time frame on GPS here. Oh god. Can't believe it. Anyway.
0.3% of 27. The 10-year is up 11.30 seconds. The yield 0.7%. West Texas Intermediate crude's up 1.25% at 38.45.
Oh my goodness.
Down 0.5% at 17.27.20.
doesn't move anyway, but jeez, it's gonna follow through here, I think.
Wall Street bond traders recently, almost in the fashion of baseball legends, was
Holding, yep. Micro bounce on the moving average. Possible bear flag pattern formation on the 1 minute time frame on 1096.
digital cards reflect a new statistical approach to measure the effectiveness of individual traders and salespeople on dealer bond desks. That's a Bloomberg Business Flash. I'm Greg Jarrett. This is Bloomberg Markets with Paul Sweeney and Bonnie Quinn on Bloomberg Radio.
Well, we got another grim jobs number today. 1.5 million jobs lost last week. That's the bad news. The good news is it's less bad than it had been over the prior 10 weeks. So some improvement there, maybe some bottoming beginning to form here in the U.S. economy as we look to get to the other side. Another indicator came out today, the leading economic indicator from the conference board. We'll get to that. Ataman Uzildrov, he's a director of economic research and global research chair for the conference board. He joins us. Ataman, thanks so much for joining us. What did your leading economic index show for June?
Hi, good morning. Thanks for having me on this morning. So the leading economic index increased by 2.8%, and this follows 6.1% decline in April. So it follows three consecutive declines. It suggests the initial shock to the economy may be behind us. As I said, the bottoming might be forming, but it also suggests the path ahead in the recovery is going to be very uncertain.
Why is there such confidence? Why are you
50 simple moving average holding.
positive at the moment? Is it all on fiscal stimulus?
Well, it shows a partial recovery relative to the past 3 months, and I think a lot of that has to do with the initial reopening of the economy that we've been seeing since May. But when you look at some of the underlying components, that relative improvement is mainly coming from unemployment insurance claims, initial claims data. About 2/3 of the gain in the index this month came from UI claims.
So, Ataman, we are getting, again, got those claims again this morning. Are you concerned at all that, again, it's glass half full, glass half empty here? They're not, those claims aren't as bad as they were, obviously, a month or so ago, but, kind of late 5 is still a big number. How are you kind of looking at the jobless situation?
Exactly. So there is a glass half full, half empty situation. Of course, the improvements are welcome, but we're still in a deep hole in
Jeez.
labor markets. There's a lot of
Look at that reversal though in the 5 minutes. That's clearly not a reversal though. Nope. That was just a pullback.
2.5 million jobs that we learned about for May.
Price retraced a little bit. It's come down on the 11:05 in 1 minute.
Yeah, and
It's
came down, but not by
there's still 40 more seconds to go on that one there.
survey we're expecting. So there is that
5 minute time frame candle needs to come down a little bit more.
stimulus if on a
But there's no follow, like it's stopping on the way. It's not printing follow through candles there.
But what is the guarantee that 20 million jobs
Yeah, I don't feel too comfy sending orders out there to the market the way that it is printing everything out there today. Just whips all over the place.
recovery path, and if those stimulus programs are ended at the end of July, there is no guarantee that the initial bottoming out that we're seeing in the LAI is going to continue. I really would like to see consistent and persistent increases month over month in the LAI, and I would like to see those coming from all 10 components of the LAI rather than just 1 or 2 like the UI claims data that we saw this month.
So, Ataman, we had a bunch of states reopening, not that they shut down very much, but now we're starting to see spikes in the some of the infection rates. Does your index, how does it capture maybe the risk associated with that?
Days like this type of market moves are the days that it's better to kind of sit on your hands, and when opportunities like we had the other day on Sava and IBIO and all of those names roll in, that you see the market ramping up, especially when like what we had the crazy moves on the airlines the other day. Those are the days that we have to slap those orders and push the pedal, push the pedal. Because days like this, there's not really much that you can do, and then if you do force a trades, things are probably not gonna end up working too well for you.
Where we're not seeing so much weakness is stock prices that came in positive and building permits came in positive as well. How much influence does that element
Let me see if I gotta check in my kits on this computer here.
So Armand, let's just step back. Given all the data that we've received over the last several weeks, what's kind of the economic outlook for the conference board at the moment?
Who? Ha! We have to enjoy the day somehow, right? Doing a little dancing here or there or something. Let me see what else is moving. I have the no, 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 no.
index came in at a low positive 2.8%. That's from a prior reading, which was revised down to minus 6.1%. Now it was better than economists were
Okay, wait a second here. Let me see something.
It was really just a couple of parts of the
U.S.
index that
steel.
also like building permits, like unemployment insurance, and at the same time we saw
Not
today
quite.
that Thomas claims coming in about 1.5 million again, continuing claims at 20.5 million, which is down from 20.9 million. True, but again wasn't as good as economists were looking for. They were looking for continuing claims to drop below 20 million. It really it seems so strange to be using numbers that high as a
I'm liking this kind of music. I don't know. It's getting me,
Out here of the improvement that we've been seeing over the last 10 or 11 weeks is a place to
I think it's better to play a little bit of music in the background, not to have like a dull kind of sound, like just the sound of my voice that might not be the great thing,
for this hour. We have more
Very unfortunate to give you examples. I gotta speak out. But maybe my voice is not that great, but I'm like, whatever. Playing a little bit of background music helps out not to get too bored. Gives you that kind of.
technology to lead us out of this crisis.
companies can accept people back on their roster.
It seems to have really flexed its muscles.
Still a coronavirus risk.
Guys, this market has really been slow. I'm gonna just step out, take a step back from this computer, maybe eat something, do something. I don't know. The market is not there today, and I'm not gonna force it in. So I'm gonna take a step back though. I'll see you guys in a little while. We're gonna keep the conversation rolling on the Discord, and I will see you guys in a little while. Enjoy the rest of your day.